lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's HBM Organic Beauty. How are you guys doing? Hope you've all been doing great. Yeah, we hit 40k subscribers. Thank you so much to my lovely subscribers. Believe me, it has not been an easy journey. Yeah, YouTube journey has not been an easy one on me, but I thank God and I thank you guys. On today's topic, I just want to make a review. I want to make a review on a particular oil that I don't see people talking about. Yeah, I don't see people talking about this oil. So I just want to make a review based on this oil. Among all the concentrated oils in Nigeria, currently in Nigeria, I don't see people talking about this oil. I think maybe it's because this oil is a special kind of oil. Yeah, and I'm gonna be telling you many more things about this oil, how this oil works, how best you can use this oil. So I'm talking about this oil, guys. So this is the oil I'm talking about. The name of this oil is Thai Clear oil. Yeah, it is a treatable lightening oil. This oil is not like every other kind of oil. It's not like every other kind of serum. It's not like skin free milk, like every other concentrated serum. This oil is very, very good, and I recommend this oil for skin treatment. If you have a damaged, bleached skin, your skin is damaged and you've bleached that skin, like you have this damaged, bleached skin, yeah, you can use this oil. It is a treatment oil. I've gone through the ingredients that they use in formulating this oil, and I noticed that it contains a lot of good carrier oils. Carrier oils like sweet almond oil, it contains propylene glycol, it contains glycerin. So this oil is going to moisturize your skin. This oil will not spoil your skin. This oil will moisturize your skin. It's going to repair your skin. This oil also contains lactic acid. Yeah, so it's lactic acid exfoliates the skin. Lactic acid helps in wrinkles, fine lines. It helps in reviewing the new skin beneath your skin. It helps damaged skin. If you know that you've been applying cream that have damaged your skin, you can use this oil. It will help you anew your skin. So this oil also contains jojoba oil. One thing I love about jojoba oil is that, wow, jojoba oil, to me, I see it as queen of all oils, because that oil can glow the skin. Like, that oil can glow your skin as if there's no tomorrow. In fact, if you're just applying only jojoba oil on your skin, it will glow your skin as if there's no tomorrow. So you see why this oil is so special. Believe me, in skin-free milk or any other concentrated serum, you will not find them telling you that they added oil to it. No, but this oil, just the way they said it is a lightening treatable oil, that is what it is. It's just that most people may not know how to use this, and I'm going to recommend to you how to use this. So on the ingredients also, this oil contains collagen. It contains citric acid also. So we have two types of AHA in this oil. Well, there is lactic acid there and there is citric acid, and like I said, this AHA, they help in renewing the skin. They renew the skin, rather. They help in revealing a bright new skin, and they exfoliate your skin, removing every dead skin cell. AHA is also good for fine lines and wrinkles. They help skin problem like this. Another advice to whom it may concern is that, please, whenever you're buying any products, you should be able to at least read whatever description that they wrote on the pack. I will advise you, whenever you're buying a product and they did not at least list some of the active ingredients in that product, then I cannot buy such product, because I like having idea of whatever ingredients that was inside the product I want to purchase, and I like seeing a little description about that product so that I'm able to have idea on what that product works for. Like this Thai Clear body oil, they said Thai Clear body milk is a combination of nutritive, vegetable and brightening elements which work actively in a limited lapse of time to the process of regenerating dead cells. Can you hear that? Dead cells. It protects the skin effectively against radiance, responsible for premature old age of the skin. Talking to the mamas out there, if you know that you're in your late 30s, your 40s, and you need a very good serum you can pour in your cream, I advise you go for this serum, because I've told you everything that is in this oil, the one that they listed out that is in this oil, and it's very good for mature skin. It's very good for any kind of skin, believe me. But at least for matured skin, if you want to use anything, maybe you want to brighten up your skin a bit, you want to tone up your skin a bit, you can use this oil. It has been written on the description that it is not a whitening oil, it is a brightening oil. And believe me, I have used this oil before. I have used this oil before. Like, I will tell you, it will glow your skin, it will brighten up your skin. But if you want a whitening, this oil will not give you whitening. But if you want a flawless, glowing, sparkling, shiny skin, you want a brightened skin, you want to even out your skin tone a bit, you want your skin to radiate, use this oil. If you are a matured woman, a matured lady in your late 30s upward, and you want to mix any oil to your cream, you feel like your skin is drying out too much, you don't want to add ordinary carrier oil like almond oil, jojoba oil, or sunflower oil, you can add this into your cream. It contains propylene glycol, it contains glycerin, so it will not dry your skin, it's going to moisturize your skin, it's going to glow your skin, it's going to treat bleached damaged skin. So that takes me to how you can treat a bleached damaged skin. Treatment to bleach damaged skin is a process that have to be attended to wisely. If you're treating a damaged bleached skin, you shouldn't treat with harsh chemicals. I used to be surprised at times when some people would be treating sunburn with harsh chemical. You cannot treat burns with harsh chemicals, because when you treat your sunburn with harsh chemicals, probably somebody promised a face cream for you, you now believe that yes, this cream will whiten your skin, then you apply that whitening face cream on your face, believing that that the cream will whiten that portion of the sunburn. Yes, it might whiten your face up, but that does not mean that you don't have sunburn. You still have sunburn there. So when you stop applying that whitening face cream, that sunburn comes back. So the best way you can treat sunburn or skin damages, bleached skin damages, is for you to apply natural cream, natural products on that portion of the damaged area. Like, you want to treat damaged skin, a bleached skin that have been damaged, and you're applying something that will whiten your skin, no, it will not repair your skin. But if you want to use this oil for a damaged bleached skin, this is how you can use this oil. Just get any good carrier oil. You can get a very good carrier oil like almond oil. You can still get jojoba oil, despite the fact that this oil contains jojoba oil. You can get jojoba oil, you can get almond oil, or you can get rosehip oil. Oh my god, I love rosehip oil. Rosehip oil. Then take for an example, if you use 50 ml of rosehip oil, okay, use 70 ml of this oil. Mix the two oil together and start applying that as your glow oil on your damaged skin. Yes, you're going to see a tremendous result. You're going to come back and thank me for this oil, believe me. And again, apart from a damaged skin, you can use this and apart from a damaged skin, you can also use that oil on your skin as a glow oil. And believe me, it's going to glow your skin, because carrot oil contains beta carotene. You know, it's going to glow your skin. Carrot oil can glow the skin. Oh, carrot oil does not lighten the skin, it glows your skin. So imagine when you add carrot oil to this oil, it's going to overglow your skin, it's going to repair your skin because of the vitamins in the carrots. It's going to repair your skin. So that is how you treat damaged skin with this oil. And yes, if you want to ask me if you can use this oil only, yes, you can use this oil only, because there's no place that they said you should add this into any body milk. Yes, you can use this on your skin only. But my little advice for you, remember this oil contains lactic acid, it contains AHA. Use this oil only at night, and use this oil 3 times or 4 times in a week, only at night, 3 to 4 times in a week. Okay. And if you want to ask again if you can use this on your face, yes, you can use this on your face, but only at night. Use 3 to 4 times in a week. Then you can continue with any other cream that you've been applying, you understand, but 3 to 4 times in a week, because of the AHA that is there. Because if you ask me what's the percentage of the AHA here, I don't know, because I'm not the one that produced this. So to be on the safer side, use only at night, 3 to 4 times in a week. And again, another way you can apply oil and make it absorb faster into your skin is immediately you come out from the bedroom. Okay, you know your body is still wet, it's still damp. Definitely you would have, you know, clean up your body with your towel to some extent, but at least there will still be water on your skin. So immediately you're coming out, you just open this, pour on your palm and massage into your body on that damp skin. When you apply oil on damp skin, not only oil, when you apply your skincare product on a damp skin, it helps your skincare product to penetrate deeper and faster into the skin. So that is it. It will make the oil to penetrate faster, to absorb it, to make your skin to absorb whatever product you are applying as at that moment. But when your skin is very dry and you are applying your body cream, your oil, your product will just stay on the surface of your skin. It will not, you know, it will not penetrate the way it's supposed to penetrate. So that is why most of the time some people will say they don't see the result of their whatever product they are using. But in all, no matter the skincare product you're applying, even if you like be applying lotion you got for $1 million or 1 million naira, and you don't exfoliate your skin, my dear, your skincare product will not work. You will not see the best of that skincare product. So if you want to use this, make sure you're scrubbing your skin. If you want to treat damaged skin, make sure you're scrubbing your skin. If you're treating damaged skin, uneven skin tone, Fanta Coke skin, you have to exfoliate your skin. You have to scrub off the dead skin cell away from your skin so that your cream will see a way to work. And yes, you can also mix this product into your body cream. Yes, you can pour this product into your body cream. So if you want to use this into 250 ml of lotion, this oil here, so this oil is 100 ml. And if you want to mix this into 500 ml of lotion, you can use the whole oil into 500 ml of lotion. So if you're using 250 ml of lotion, you share the oil into 2 and pour into the 250 ml of your lotion. So you can use this for your lotion, you can use this for with your oils, you can use this only, but I've told you how to use this. This oil will not give you green vein. This oil will not give you stretch mark. This oil will not bleach your skin. It will brighten you up, but it will not whiten you. Okay, so that is it for this oil. It is a lightening treatable oil, and it is an anti-aging oil. The road's anti-aging. Yeah, it is an anti-aging oil. That is why I like this oil. That is why I can recommend this oil easily to anybody to give this oil a trial. This oil is good for matured skin also. So if you are a matured woman, you can try out this oil, and it's not that expensive in Nigeria. Yeah, this oil, I got this oil, is it not, I think 35. Yes, I bought this oil for 35. So it's not that expensive. It's not that expensive, but this oil is dope. Okay, so thank you so much. And if you've not joined our online class, our online skincare class is starting on the 1st of August. Yes, if you've not joined the class, what are you waiting for? Join our online skincare class. It is a natural skincare class. So thank you so much for watching my video. Bye. Love you guys.